Find your perfect home to buy or rent at Zoopla.co.uk. Smart property search.
Take that one and do that
I've been
one.
saying Nourish Hair is watercolour for 10 years now. But what does it really mean? It means our hair feels nourished, our colour looks just gorgeous. And now Nutrice is rich with 3 oils. It actually nourishes, helping lock in colour and shine for long. Well, gosh, richer, yes. Yeah, definitely. My Nutrice, 4.3. What's yours? Now, even better colour. Who takes care of us?
Actimel. All the punching slave do with. Ingredients advocated.
Yeah.
Delicious fruit puree. And even vitamin C. That's why we fit it all in. So why not start your day with an Actimel? The little bottle with a lot inside.
Dear Big Eater. Excuse me. I am Leighton Buzzard, Slimmer of the Decade. Of the Decade. There's been a bit of a complaint. What sort of complaint? Something about public humiliation, physical violence and mental torture. Really strange. My new TV comedy, The Star, starts 7 HD.
If you've got Sky TV, there are lots of ways to watch Sky One, whether it's on a laptop or